Welcome to this lesson on algebraic transformations. Today, our main goal is to learn how to express a quadratic expression as the difference of two squares. By the end of this video, you will be able to take a standard quadratic trinomial and rewrite it in the form of one squared term minus another squared term. Let's look at our specific problem. Express x squared plus 10x plus 24 as the difference of two squares. Our first major step is to factor this expression into two linear factors. We are looking for two numbers that multiply to 24 and add up to 10. 6 and 4 fit perfectly. So we split the middle term, 10x, into 6x and 4x. Now, we group the terms. In the first two terms, we can factor out an x. In the last two terms, we can factor out a 4. Since both parts now contain the factor x plus 6, we can factor that out to get the product of two binomials, x plus 6 times x plus 4. Now that we have our expression in the form of a product of two factors, we need a mathematical tool to turn this product into a difference of squares. We will use the AB formula, which is an identity derived from the square of a sum and the square of a difference. It states that the product of any two numbers, a and b, is equal to the square of their average minus the square of half their difference. In our case, let's let a equal x plus 6 and b equal x plus 4. Applying the formula, our expression becomes the quantity x plus 6 plus x plus 4 all over 2 squared minus the quantity x plus 6 minus the quantity x plus 4 all over 2 squared. Notice how we've already achieved the general structure of the difference of two squares. Now, we just need to simplify the terms inside the parentheses. Simplifying the numerators, we get 2x plus 10 over 2 squared minus 2 over 2 squared. Finally, this simplifies to x plus 5 squared minus 1 squared. Let's simplify the expressions inside those brackets, step by step, to reach our final form. Inside the first set of parentheses, we combine like terms. X plus x gives us 2 times, and 6 plus 4 gives us 10. So the numerator becomes 2 times plus 10. Since both terms are divisible by 2, we can factor out a 2. The 2 in the numerator cancels with the 2 in the denominator, leaving us with just x plus 5 squared for our first term. Now let's look at the second part. We have x plus 6 minus the quantity x plus 4. When we distribute that negative sign, it becomes x plus 6 minus x minus 4. The x terms cancel out completely, and 6 minus 4 leaves us with 2. 2 divided by 2 is simply 1. So this whole term simplifies to 1 squared. Putting it all together, our original quadratic expression is now written as the quantity x plus 5 squared minus 1 squared. We have successfully transformed the trinomial into the difference of two squares. This technique is extremely useful in various areas of algebra, including solving quadratic equations and integration in calculus. Great job following along. You can now apply this method to any quadratic that can be factored.